So, here we are. Just got the Widebody GR86 back from StudioRSR, where it has been for over 6 months now. While they installed 3, maybe 4 pieces of suspension. It was a lower control arm in the front, the white line rear sway bar. Yeah, and it took about 6 months to do that. And now we get to wash the car because it's been sitting outside in LA for the last 6+ months. And that's the kind of dirt that's built up on it. It's kind of gross. So let's fix that today, y'all.